made this baked oatmeal in so long, and I'm currently doing baby-led weaning with Chloe. She is going to be 9 months on Friday, and she hasn't had oatmeal yet, so we're gonna make some oatmeal today, and I have my little helper right here to help out. Okay, so first things first, can you put the banana in?
Yeah.
Thank you. Let me roll up your sleeves so we don't get messy. And then, do you want to crack the egg or do you want me to crack the egg? Do you remember how to do it? Okay, so tap, tap.
Yeah, Mama.
You want me to do it? Okay, see, look. Tap, tap, tap. And then you crack it open. There goes the egg. And then we're gonna do 1/3 cup of oats. Here you go. Can you pour it in, please? Good job. Now we're gonna do the lye.
Yeah.
Okay. 1/4 cup of lye. Slowly. Slowly. Yay! Good job! Let's put a little bit more. Here, can you put that in? Thank you. We need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. There you go. Thank you very much. Next, we need 1 1/2 tablespoons. No, it's not hot.
No?
That's cocoa powder. You want to put that in? 1. 2. Thank you. Okay, now we're gonna add a little pinch of salt. Can I see your hand? Okay. Can you pour that in? Good job. It's gonna be loud. Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Can you help me hold it? Ready, pour. Get it all in there. Thank you. Help me put them on top. Just a little bit, just a little bit. I don't need that much. Ooh. Oh, wait, wait, wait. You can't put your hand back into the chocolate chips if you touch the oatmeal, okay?
Oh, oatmeal?
Yeah, look, just go one by one. Let's do one by one. Just 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry. 4. Don't put your hand inside it. Do, 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 do. I saw that. Are they yummy?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's good. And then now I'm going to put, oh, what am I doing? Now I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 for like 25 minutes. It's ready. Give it a bite, and then I'm going to give it to Lydia.